Single detached, house and lot? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Located in Dasmariñas, Cavite, near Governor's Drive, SM Dasma, and Robinson's Palapala. Ito ay may lot area na 251 square meter. Single detached na pwede kang umikot sa buong bahay. Tara, check natin sa loob. The living and dining area and the kitchen area. This is a complete turnover with kitchen cabinets and overhead cabinets. This is the den or the guest room.